Hey, welcome back to my channel. Technical analysis for stocks, crypto, ETFs, anything you've got a ticker for. I can find a chart for, send it along, I'll make you a video, I'll mark it up and give you my opinions on ins, outs, stop losses, support, resistance, all that kind of stuff that we're looking at. You do your fundamental analysis and I'll help you with the technical. That's all we do here. I want to make a quick video today on the RSP versus the SPY. RSP obviously is the equal weighted S&P 500. SPY is the market cap weighted S&P 500. And the SPY is going up. It tends to mean, like the situation we're in now, that not tends to, but in this situation for sure, there's 7 to 10 stocks that are pulling all 507 or 8 stocks that make up the S&P 500. When the RSP is going up, it usually means there's good breadth in the market and that it's not just a handful of companies moving it. It seems to be more of that 500, a much larger group of that 500 than just what we're seeing today. So from 2003 to 2015, you wanted to be in the RSP. It did better than the SPY, all right? And then from 2015 to today, you wanted to be in the SPY. You know, those big hyperscaler tech companies that are driving all the profits, the chip makers, that's them pushing the SPY. Now it looks to me, this green line, we've come back to where we started and we've double bottomed. We're on a weekly chart, so each candle is a week, and the moving average to watch is the white one, or about the blue one. The white one's my 34. So we've now hit a bottom, we've bounced twice, and are coming into these vertical resistance lines. The aggressive buy is after this one, the medium is after this one, and the safer bet, where we know we've sort of started a trend, is past this red line and above the purple. I don't think it'll take that long. That says 28. Got a funny feeling it might happen into next year. No, why am I bringing this up? If you have a 401k through work, or any kind of work-sponsored plan, or are just an index investor, there's a very good chance you're in the SPY. Either you picked it, somebody's picked it for you. It's the most common index fund that is traded. This is telling me that it might be time to switch over to the RSP. If we're bottoming here in the SPY and this cyclicality plays out, and this move up here, down here, should be doing something like that. So this was all this in favor of the SPY. This is the RSP. And you want to be there instead of the SPY. That probably means something's going to happen with the tech sector. Or doesn't mean that's going to happen. If it moves, it probably means something has happened to the tech sector. But either way, you want to be possibly in the next 6 months to a year moving some of your SPY money into the RSP, the equal weighted index. All the same companies, just the weighting of each is different. In the RSP, it's an equal weight, 1 to 1 to 1 to 1. In the SPY, the bigger the market cap, the more weight it has in that. So this kind of looks to me like it's changing. We are now sort of at our moving average, which is good. We want to get above it. We want to get past these red lines. But it looks like that's what's kind of happening. And now if this white line, my 34 moving average, starts to do this, means we're moving, stocks are moving like that. Once you get in here, there's your X. So you want to be a buyer, because that will pretty much confirm that the RSP, the equal weighted index, is going to outperform the RSP. So there you go. It might be a year away. I think it might happen a bit sooner. Keep an eye on it though. Just anybody holding the SPY, at some point it's going to be to your advantage to be holding the RSP instead. Anyway, I hope that helps. Gives you something to think about. Once again, if you have anything I can help you with, take a look at technical analysis. Be happy to do so. My contact information is below. Stocks, crypto, ETFs, whatever you want. Just send me an email with the ticker, and if you can give me a little bit of information, it kind of helps. If it's just something you're looking to trade as opposed to an investment that you're looking to hold for a long period of time, makes me just helps me look at charts differently. Long periods of time, it's weekly and monthly charts. Short periods of times, we're into daily charts and half-day charts and stuff like that. Yeah, so just let me know. Happy to have a look. It's a free service, so there you have it. Keep an eye on this.